free of charge. What? Hold this camera then. Hold this camera. Hold the camera. Come on, puppy. We're almost there to our destination, then you can sit down.
Yeah.
Not in the road. Okay.
No, you're in the road still. Hurry up. Hurry up. Come on. Anthony!
Hey, Betty, stop strangling.
Don't take the helmet off. Okay. Be in the grass.
Sure you can be in the grass. Okay, stay there. You can take a break. Come on, you have to see your dog. You have to see your dog. Come on, you have to see your new dog. His name is Rex. Come on, you have to see our new dog. Come on. Oh, here comes Rex right now. Here it comes.
And then you don't have to cover it. You just pop it short and the weirdest dog I've ever seen in my life.
Look, Zach, it's a doggy.
Yeah.
Woof, woof. Look how cute he is. What's your name?
Rex.
Rex.
He can't talk.
I like your name. Can he bark?
Lark.
It's barf barf.
Lark. You beat my head. You don't know.
Are you like dying of heat stroke in there?